we should have a proper attention. So life is for everyone with a lot of problems. It is quite the same. So even noble people, so everyone have the life. Every life is dangerous. No one, we will not know tomorrow what will happen. So to make our mind to be happy or to be proper, it is important. Yeah, result is based on karma. Generally, people don't know what will happen. So our responsibility, practitioner's responsibility is what we should pay attention, how we should think. For example, we have friends and we have enemies. Usually, if we think about the enemies, we will have anger, being disappointed and sad. If we think about the friends, respectable people, so we will respect, we will be happy. So this is our choice. So we should associate our mind with the good object. So in the world, there are many agreeable objects, also many disagreeable objects. So which you will choose is your choice. So meditation is like that. We choose an object. We will not accept any object coming into our mind. So one is choosing object, what we will pay attention. Another one is our attitude, how we should pay attention. So now we have taught 42. These are ways to pay attention. So about our body, about our life, these are ways of attention. In the same way, Rupa is a Rupa, Nama is a Nama, cause and effect, connect correctly. So if it's samatha, if we see someone, may he be well, may he be free from suffering, or may he be able to maintain own success. May he has his own karma as own property. So these are way of pay attention. So generally, you should pay attention as a samatha or vipassana. So if you want to listen widely, so you may read the Buddha's teaching. All Buddha's teachings are guiding you how to pay attention. So as a one, if you want to know, you should think properly. You should have a yoniso manasikara. Having a wholesome mind, having an unwholesome mind is based on yoniso manasikara. How you think, what you think. So if you train in this way, your mind can be better.